Hi everyone, welcome back to another episode from Wake&Tech. Today in this video, I'm going to show you how to log into Huntington Bank account online. Whether you are checking your account balance or paying bills, logging into Huntington Bank account online is quick and easy. First of all, open up your preferred web browser on your device and in the URL box type in huntington.com. After you do that, make a search for it and you will end up in the official website for Huntington. From the home page, go ahead and tap on the human icon at the top right corner. This will then open up your sign-in area. Choose your banking type from the top section and then enter your username and password associated with your online banking account. Type down your username and password correct. If you don't remember your username and password, you can tap on Forgot Username or Forgot Password respectively. After typing down your credential, tap on Login, and if you've set up two-factor authentication, you will be asked to verify your identity via text message, email, or security question. After completing this step to continue, you will then be able to log in to your Huntington online banking account. If you found the video helpful, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe. I will be back again in the next episode. Thank you for watching.